Welcome to AIDuals. AIDuals is world's first AI digital cloning technology. While many AI solutions offer assistance, AIDual isn't just another chatbot app. It's a personal digital twin engineered to think, act, and communicate like you. Let's explore what AIDuals does and why this is a game changer for you. Unlike traditional AI chatbots that provide generic response, AIDual clones your professional persona, bringing personalized interaction to every customer conversation, business operations, and more. This means each clone understands your business almost as well as you do, ensuring consistency and precision that generic chatbots can't match. Imagine AIDuals managing your digital marketing campaign, creating and managing contents across different platforms without missing your unique voice. Or picture an AI clone of yours that runs your entire e-commerce, customer support, and website chat, handling inquiries, upselling products, round the clock, taking appointments, making bookings. Even real estate agents can benefit from AIDuals by automating property inquiries and scheduling. Let's explore how you can create a clone using AIDuals. First, scroll up and click on clones where you can see all your clones. Click on create clone button to start creating a clone. Here you can upload your picture, give your clone a name, a headline, what the clone is about, description, and click continue. Next, you can choose from topics about your clones, which essentially define the passion and the tone of the clone. So in this case would be entrepreneurial, technology, marketing. You can of course add more topics to refine your clone. Click continue, and then here you can pick a goal, which essentially defines the conversation style and the specific information that is required by the clone. Of course, you can add more goals, but you can randomly pick something that works best. In my case, I will pick role act as a CEO proxy, but again, you can choose multiple roles as well. Click continue. Here you can decide whether the response will be low creative or high creative, and how the response would be short or concise. Next step, you can create an AI generated image of the picture you've uploaded by simply entering a prompt, or just continue with the picture that you've uploaded yourself. Click next. Your clone is created. Once your clone is created, you can edit it, and you're on the clone training dashboard. The first step would be to customize your clone with the training data. So you click on train. Now you can add content from your YouTube, from your website, from any YouTube channel, from socials. You can import all the data from Twitter, Instagram, or LinkedIn, and the clone will learn all that information. Plus you can also upload different files, media files, or you can manually copy paste information, create question and answers to teach your clone. Or if you don't have any of those things, you can use our Q&A style, interview style process, where the AI will ask you information and then you can answer those questions, and AI will train itself on how you talk, who you are, and all the information about yourself. Next, you can choose a purpose. You can add more requirements. You can put in a definition explaining what is the role of the clone, what is that one specific thing you want this specific clone to do. You can pick from multiple different languages and different accents how your clone will speak, or you can upload your own voiceover sample and the AI will learn your voice and create a copy of your voice for your clone to use. You can choose from different tones. You can extract the tone, the way you write, the way you speak from the content you're uploaded. So every time the clone answers, it's gonna come out as if you are writing your way of your style of writing. Then you can add custom instructions such as steer clear of discussing politics, avoid follow-up inquiries, different instructions that you can add for a clone to follow specifically. You can add suggested questions, which will show up as the first few things as an icebreaker, and you can also add feeds from YouTube, Twitter, blogs, and RSS, so your clone is automatically updated with new information from your socials, from your blogs, so it's always super updated and has the latest information about yourself. You can pick from multiple different characters. You can create your own character by uploading an image or entering an AI prompt. Then you can check what users are communicating, what conversations are going on. You can track all that data. You can look at the activity and see what are the popular topics and questions. And then finally, we also have a monetization option where you can monetize using membership or affiliate offers. So what you can do is you can create a product, give it an affiliate link, and every time your clone conversates with somebody, it will try to pitch the product to the person and drop the link. Same way with membership, what you can do is you can have a clone behind a paywall where your clone will answer only few questions for free, after which your clone will ask the visitor to pay a fee to continue chatting, which is brilliant if you are a coach or a consultant. The final few settings you can see here, where you can customize your clone settings. You can create a URL for your clone, so you can copy this URL and send it an email to your clients. You can create a custom domain for your clone as well, where if somebody goes on that domain or this URL, they'll be able to engage with the clone. You can change the bio, the topics that you originally selected. You can add socials for your clone, so you will get followers. Your clone will get followers. And then you can create multiple instances for your clone, for example, wherever you want to embed it. So you can embed one instance on one website, one on another page, and such that. And then you can integrate Telegram, SMS, Stripe, PayPal, Slack, Discord, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger. And once you integrate your clone with these services, every time you get a Telegram message, every time you get a SMS, every time you get a Slack message or Discord message or WhatsApp or Facebook message, your clone will interact with those messages. Your clone will answer those messages, so you can completely automate all of that and you don't have to do anything. And then of course you can get emails for all the activities and notification. You can see what the initial message would be. You can throw in a privacy message. You can get response preferences, and you can also track your usage. So creating a clone again is super easy, and let me show you how a clone would interact on Telegram. As you can see on your screen, I'm interacting with my own clone who is answering my questions on Telegram, and I can do the same on SMS as well. As you can see on the screen, I'm interacting with the same clone on SMS. I'm sending an SMS, a text message, and the clone is responding back. Same way, the clone can also be embedded on different websites just like this, and it will answer all your questions here. It will speak those questions in your voice if needed. Clones can do a lot of things. This is how you quickly and easily create an AI clone. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. We'll be happy to help you. Cheers.